Hello and welcome to the Nexus. Today we're going to be doing, we're going to start issue 14 and we're doing stage 51, which is this one here. So let's get going. Okay, so these are the parts that we have here for stage 51. And I'm just going to slice this bag open, like so. We do have the upper part of the warp nacelle, or the upper frame, I should say, or the lower frame. I think it's actually a lower frame. Yeah, because that's where it sort of attaches. So we need to put that aside because we're not actually using that in this issue. What we're going to do is pull out all of this. Okay, there we go. So we've got a panel just here. So all we're going to do is, for this one doesn't have any lights in this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lifeboat pods in, and all black windows all the way along. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now we've done that, we need to grab our panels that we did last time in stage 49 and 50. The first one we're going to place is this one, which is from stage 49. That looks like that, and that is obviously going to sit like just like that, like this. That's it. We're going to grab our one light that we've got just here, and we're going to put that in the top there. And then we're going to secure it down with DM screws. So I'm going to do that. We're also then, after we've done that, we're going to place this one just here, and we're going to secure that one down with DM screws. So I'm going to do all that now. Okay, so that's what we are left with. That's how it looks. We've got to move this wire up so it's out of the way. This one can be left for now, and we'll flip it over, and that's what it looks like. We now need to attach this to our saucer section. Okay, so here we are with the saucer section. We're just going to take this and we're going to run the leads through this big gap just here, these two parts anyway. We'll pull them through like so, and then this is going to sit in here. So we've got to turn it around. Okay. So you might have to just arrange the wires a little bit better. So that's going to sit on like that, and we're going to secure that in with BM screws and a CP screw right here on this end section just here. But we're going to just secure this and just go around securing this in with BM screws. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that section is now in place. We've now got to literally just go along plugging these wires in into the circuit board. So that one's going to go in there, and then this one's going to go next to it, like so. And then we've got this one here, which is going to go 1, 2 spaces along, I think, into there, like so. And at this stage we are done. So I'm going to flip it around just to show you. So it looks like we're 2 panels away from completing. So this is the panel we just put on these 4 here, or this 3 I should say, but this looks like this 4 there. And then we've just got this panel, this back panel, and effectively we are complete. Obviously we've already got the bridge and the shuttle bay there that will go on the top, but effectively we are done. But it's looking really, really good. Make sure you like, click, subscribe, comment. We do loads of builds here. Make sure you give us a follow. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video. Take it easy.